13 reasons to date a baker. 1. He'll give you free cake. This is by far the best reason to date a baker. A relationship with someone who has a penchant for baking will ensure that you get delicious pastries on a regular basis. And it's all made with love by their expert hand. 2. They are creative. Many bakers are also good decorators and are comfortable expressing their artistic side. The icing is their painting and the cake their canvas. Expect pretty biscuits with your name on them. 3. They taste great. All these cakes, cupcakes and pastries train bakers to have a superior palate. Who better to accompany you on a romantic dinner? 4. They can carry heavy objects. All that beating, whipping, lifting and stirring gives them great upper body strength under their apron. 5. Your family will love them. When a baker explains their job to you, you'll always hear a chorus of oohs and ahs. Their skills are sure to impress the family when they bring in a homemade dessert. 6. They know how to follow instructions. Working to a recipe means they can follow instructions and think methodically. 7. They are team players. The heat of the ovens and the activity of the kitchens mean that bakers are extremely attentive to others and always work with care and respect. 8. They are organized. Christmas presents to buy for the whole family? Booking a holiday for a birthday? You can count on your baker to prioritize tasks and make planning a breeze. 9. They are highly motivated. It takes a special person to get up early in the morning when most people are in bed. And they'll probably have cooked up several spectacular creations before you've even pressed the snooze button. 10. They bring their work home, and that's a good thing. Bakers can't help but use their free time to experiment with different recipes and flavors in their own kitchen. Get your fork ready, because you will be their chief taster. 11. Beyond the hairnets, it's not just the ovens that are hot. Knowing how to handle yourself in a kitchen is sexy, and good food is all about hedonism. Baking is pure pleasure for the senses. 12. They are good at laundry. Bakers' overalls must be spotless and clean for the kitchen. You won't find them running from laundry duties. 13. They have a sense of humor. All these original cakes are the result of the playful imagination of very cheeky bakers.